everyone, today we have the Dell Multimedia keyboard KB216 with us, and we are going to check out how this keyboard looks and functions. So as on the box you can see, it comes in an all black color with slight blue accents on the shortcuts, and also that it comes in with 3 years of warranty. So as we flip the box towards the back side, you're going to notice that it has got a low profile feature, chiclet style keycaps, and also the multimedia shortcuts on the keys. So without any further ado, let's just quickly unbox this package. So here's the keyboard KB216 by Dell, and it comes in an all black color with slight blue accents on the shortcut keys. And as promised by the company, it comes in with the chiclet keys, and here is the USB connector right over here and the cable for it, as you can see. Let's check it out, how long it actually is. There you go. So I'm guessing it is about 1.5 meters long, and now let's keep this aside. Moving towards the back side of the keyboard, as you're going to notice, we have the stands right here for adjusting the height, and also the 6 rubber grip tapes for the extra grip. Then we also get to see a safety, environmental and regulatory information guide. Moving forward, let me also tell you that it is a plug and play keyboard. So all you've got to do is plug in the USB like that, and as you can see, our laptop has detected the keyboard, and there you go, it is working now. That's all folks, this was all about the Dell Multimedia keyboard KB216. Thank you so much for watching the video.